Hey guys, I'm gonna make a better video of the E-Savage. The video that I made yesterday, it was kind of dark out and my cell phone battery was low, so I'm going to make a better video. Turn the truck on. Alright. Now, this time I'm gonna have
Hi.
my woman record for me.
Hold on. Jesus. Nice wheelie.
Whoops.
Nice.
Well, let's see here. Thing's so damn quick that camera can't keep up. Well, hopefully that's a little bit better video for you guys. Alright, well, there you go. Later.